Hi everybody, welcome to our channel Mass Insights. In this video, I am going to teach you how to remember the trigonometric ratios for the angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 very easily. I will make you very easy how to remember in detail. Shall we? In the previous video, you learned how to find the trigonometric ratios for all these angles. You calculated the values, but in this video, we will learn how to remember them easily. If you want, you may see that video also. I am giving the link of that video at the end of this video. So, shall we go into this one? See, if you know the values of sine ratio for all these angles, only one ratio, that is sine. You have to recollect the sine values of all these angles. Sine 0, you know, sine 0 is 0 and sine 30 is 1 by 2 and sine 45 is 1 by root 2 and sine 60 is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. You have to know these values, you have to remember these values. By using these values only, you will know all these values. Okay, for getting cos 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, simply write starting from here. So cos 0 will become 1, that means reverse. So 1 should come here, root 3 by 2 should come here. So 1 by root 2 here, 1 by 2 and 0. These are the values of cos for these angles. If you simply write reverse order, then you will get cos values. And also you have to remember that sine 45 and cos 45 both are equals to 1 by root 2. And also coming to tan, not required to remember. Tan can be defined as sine by cos, sine value by cos value, then you will get tan value. If you want to tan 0, sine 0 by cos 0. Therefore, here for 0 degrees, 0 by 1, 0 by anything is 0, you know that. And also this 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. If you write this will become 1 by 3. That means tan 30 degrees is equals to sine 30 degrees by cos 30 degrees. That is equals to sine 30 is 1 by 2 by, that is root 3 by 2 cos 30. If you cancel this one, you will get 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Next, going to tan 45. Cos sine 45 by cos 45 both are equal, therefore you will get 1 as your answer. And coming to tan 60, sine 60 by cos 60, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. If you cancel these two, you will get root 3 only. Therefore, this is root 3. Tan 90 is very important. Tan 90 is sine 90 by cos 90. See, 1 by 0. Division with 0 is undefined. Therefore, you have to write it as undefined or by using the symbol infinity. I am writing undefined, right? Undefined. Next, coming to cosecant. Cosecant is the reciprocal ratio of sine. If you know sine values for all these angles, it is very easy to know cosecant value. So cosecant 0 is equals to 1 by sine 0. See, if you write 1 by sine 0 means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 again, division with 0 is undefined. Therefore, you may write it as undefined, right? Coming to cosecant 30, 1 by sine 30. So 1 by 1 by 2 will become 2. Okay. Next, cosecant 45, 1 by sine 45, which will become root 2 only, right? Root 2. And cosecant 60, this is 1 by sine 60, 1 by root 3 by 2, which will become 2 by root 3. Okay, this is 2 by root 3. Similarly, if you want to know the cosecant 90 degrees, you have to do 1 by sine 90 degrees. So 1 by 1, again you will get 1 in this case. Secant, this is the fifth one. Secant is the reciprocal ratio of cos theta. You know the values of cos theta for all these angles. Therefore, secant 0 is obtained by 1 by cos 0. Therefore, 1 by 1. Again you will get 1 here. Next, 1 by root 3 by 2. This will become 2 by root 3, and this is also 1 by root 2, that will become root 2. This is 1 by 2, that is 2, and this is 1 by 0 again. You have to be careful here. 1 by 0 is undefined, not 0. 0 by anything is 0. Okay, so 1 by 0 is again here undefined. You cannot find this value. And finally, cot. Actually, its full form is cotangent, which is simply written as cot theta. So cot ratio, cot is reciprocal of tan. Therefore, you have to do 1 by for all these values. Then you will get values of cot for all these angles. Therefore, 1 by 0, again 1 by 0, that is undefined, right? And this is 1 by root 3, which will become root 3. This is 1 by 1, again 1, and this is 1 by root 3, so 1 by root 3, and this is here. How you got this tan? Actually, you got this tan value as sine by cos, that means 1 by 0. By writing 1 by 0, you have written undefined. For this 0 by 1, 0 by 1 is nothing but 0. Otherwise, if you know the tan values, if you write in the reverse order, see, undefined is coming here, root 3 is coming here, 1 is coming here, 1 by root 3 is coming here, 0 is coming here. These trigonometric ratios are interrelated among them. So if you know the value of sine theta, it is very easy to calculate the remaining values of ratios. And also, if you want to find big values of these trigonometric ratios, like sine 420, sine 360, sine 900, you have to split, you have to simplify them, and finally you have to use these values to find that value. So these are very important values, and these are used in solving different types of problems. Okay, I hope that this is very useful to you, and if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press bell icon to receive notifications when I post a new video. We will meet in the next video. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you.